Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. In this video today we will know the facts or events related to 14th April. Let's start. In 1859, rich merchant and munificent Jamshedji Bhoi passed away. In 1862, on this day Prabhashankar Patni, chief public worker of Gujarat, was born. In 1865, on this day Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of United States, is shot at the Ford Theater in Washington. He died in the morning the next day. In 1891, Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar, the creator of the Indian Constitution, was born. In 1907, freedom fighter Puran Chand Joshi was born. In 1912, on this day, Britain's luxurious ship Titanic collides with iceberg. In 1919, Shamsad Begum, the famous playback singer of Hindi films, was born. Shamsad Begum was an Indian singer who was one of the first playback singers in the Hindi film industry. In 1950, 20th century great saint and social worker Raman Maharishi died. In 1958, on this day, Soviet satellite Sputnik 2 was destroyed 162 days after its space mission. In 1962, on this day, Moksha Gundam Visvesvaraya, who was awarded the Bharat Ratna, the great engineer and diplomat of India, died. In 1963, a prominent Hindi literature, Rahul Sankrityayan, died. In 1970, on this day, critical situation arose after the explosion in the American spacecraft Apollo 13. 56 hours after leaving the Earth, this accident once threatened the lives of 3 astronauts aboard, but then it was repaired and it returned safely to the Earth. In 1988, the Soviet Union signs an agreement with the US, Pakistan and Afghanistan in Geneva, agreeing to withdraw its troops from Afghanistan. In 2006, on this day, first Buddhist World Conference begins in China. In 2008, on this day, passenger rail service started between Kolkata in India and Dhaka in Bangladesh for the first time since 1965. In 2010, a 6.9 earthquake struck in Kigali, China, in which about 2,700 people died. In 2010, a volcanic eruption in Iceland triggers such an impact that air traffic in North and Central Europe was affected. In 2014, the Islamic organization Boko Haram kidnapped 275 girls from a boarding school in Chibok, Nigeria. It was condemned worldwide. In 2020, the IMF warns the global economy to contract down 3% in 2020 due to the Great Lockdown imposed by COVID-19, which will be the second recession since the Great Recession. In 2020, on this day, PM Narendra Modi extended India's COVID-19 lockdown till 3 May. That's all. Thanks for watching.